Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix your device ban on Snapchat in iPhone and iPad. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, tap on long press on Snapchat, tap on remove app and tap on delete. And after 1 minute, you have installed again your Snapchat and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then open your settings and scroll down and tap on general, scroll down and tap on date and time. You make sure that turn off the bot toggle and set 1 month back date and time and open your Snapchat and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the next method and open your any browser and search for Snapchat support and tap on this and tap on contact us and type on I cannot access my account and type on I see an error message when I log in and type on yes and enter your information, username, email, phone number, device and put your problem and type on send. And after 24 hours Snapchat in content your Gmail and phone number, and I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.